Hi, this is Alistair McIntyre here. I just thought I'd run a little demo on how to add a YouTube video to our Electric Scotland community, because I know some of you are having a little bit of a problem. So I thought I'd show you basically how I do it. Up here you can see I'm actually using Google Chrome browser, but any browser will do fine. And if you look here, I've actually got up the Electric Scotland community right now, and I'm basically just adding some old Scottish songs. And then in the other pane I've got the YouTube site. So let's say, for example, that I want to add another video here. I am on the YouTube site and I've done a bit of a search. You know, I did a search for I Belong to Glasgow, but coming down the list I can see that there's other ones here, like a wee Doc and Doris. It's a 3-minute video. It looks interesting, so I thought, well, let's try it. So if I click on wee Doc and Doris, the video will start to play.
A wee Doc and Doris. There's a good old Scottish.
So I've just paused that, but for example, if I want to add this, I can just mark a wee Doc and Doris, and I right click over it and do copy. I go back to the community, and I'm just basically going to reply to this, and then I paste in the title, a wee Doc and Doris. Then I simply go back to YouTube, and then you see under this it's got share this video. So if I click share, it now highlights the URL. So if I right click over that and do copy, I can then go back, and then I just basically paste in that URL, and I'm just putting in Alistair here at the bottom. So when I do that, I basically post quick reply, and as you can see, the video is now up. And as I'm now reading the actual message, if I click that, you can play. So that's basically how I do it. And as I say, if I wanted to add other videos, I can just again go back to YouTube. I can go to the top and I can click in a new search term to find another video I would like to feature, and I can go on like that. At the same time, if there was a website somewhere for Harry Lauder, for example, if I come back here, if I add another pane and go back to Electric Scotland, I can actually put in here Harry Lauder and click search, and if I just scroll down a little bit, you can see that we've got various pages for Sir Harry Lauder. Now if I was to click this one, for example, I can see here that here is actually a little biography about Harry Lauder here, and down there's also lots of little links. So that's not a bad page to kind of quote. So if I went back up here and just highlight that link, right click it and copy, I can then come back to the community, and here I could actually reply and just say, if you enjoy Harry Lauder songs, you might like to visit, and I just right click and paste in the URL. And then when I save that or post quick reply, you can see the link becomes a dynamic link. So not only have I introduced you an old Scottish song sung by Harry Lauder, but I've also provided you with a link so you can learn more about the artist. So I hope that's been of some help.